Welcome to your bedtime yoga practice, where all you need is you and your bed. My name's Joelle, and we'll begin by placing the left shin on top of the bed, keeping the right foot on the floor. Inhale your right hand up towards the ceiling, and then exhale to weave that arm underneath your body. Finding a gentle thread the needle variation here. You might like to close the eyes and find a deep breath in and out through your nose. Pressing into the left hand to lift yourself back up, extending the right arm up once more, and releasing. Sitting down on the edge of the bed, cross right knee over left, for a gentle twist towards the right. Crown of the head reaches tall as you gaze over your back shoulder. Returning to center, set the right forearm down on the bed next to you for a gentle side stretch. Perhaps even reaching the left arm up and over you. Wonderful. Straightening up once more for the second side. Placing right shin on top of the bed. Inhale the left arm up towards the sky. Exhale to weave it underneath the body, bringing left ear and left shoulder to the bed. And bringing weight into your right hand to lift yourself back up, pulling the left hand towards the ceiling. And then sitting yourself down on the edge of the bed, crossing left knee over right for that gentle twist towards the left. An opportunity to wring out the body, letting go of any tension, and starting to let go of your day. Centering the upper body once more, releasing the left forearm down beside you, and perhaps reaching up and overhead with your right arm. And gently straightening up, uncrossing the legs. Lie yourself down now, all the way. And softly pull the right knee in towards the chest as you extend the left leg out. Closing the eyes if you haven't already. And releasing that knee to switch sides. Left knee in towards the chest. With your deep breaths calming the nervous system and encouraging everything to just let go. Wonderful. Release that second knee as well, extending both legs out, bringing one hand to the belly and one hand to the heart. To notice how the breath flows through these two areas, filling and emptying the belly, lifting and releasing your heart space. And this is where I'll leave you for tonight. If you'd like 10 additional minutes of relaxation, I will link in the description box below to my 10-minute Shavasana practice. Otherwise, I do hope to practice with you tomorrow morning. Until then, thank you for joining me, and I wish you sweet dreams.